Meet Hydro Grip Eye Primer. It's Hydro Grip, but it's eye primer.
It's a clean, 93% natural, hydrating eye makeup and under eye primer that creates a smooth base, enhances color, and locks in makeup. It's also transparent, so it works with all skin tones. We wanted to make a universal eye primer that did more than your average formula. That's why it's formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid, natural blurring powders, and blue agave extract, which helps form an invisible layer to lock in makeup. You can use it two ways. One, as an eyeshadow primer to grip pigment and enhance color without creasing. You can use it to lock in both cream and powder formulas. Two, as an under eye primer for concealer to blur fine lines and keep delicate under eye skin hydrated. Apply a thin layer onto clean eyelids and under eye area and blend with fingertips. Allow the formula to dry down completely to activate grip before putting on eye makeup. Hydro Grip Eye Primer is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, oil-free, and fragrance-free. Bye, Milk Fan!